Hello students, very good morning to all of you. This is lecture number 2nd of unit 8 D and F block elements for 12 chemistry. Now physical properties of D block elements. D block elements have all metals having high malleability, ductility, metallic luster, etc. Melting and boiling points of D block elements is greater than S block elements. Reason for having more melting points of D block elements from S block elements. Reason is a stronger metallic bond formed present by unpaired D electrons. So dear students, D block elements have incomplete, that is why it have unpaired electrons, and that unpaired electrons, D electrons, formed a stronger metallic bond. In zinc, cadmium and mercury, there is no unpaired electron present in d orbitals. Hence, due to absence of covalent bond, melting point and boiling point are very low in series. Zinc, cadmium and mercury are volatile metals. In 3D series, scandium to chromium, melting and boiling points increases, and then from manganese to zinc, melting and boiling point decreases. So dear students, in 3D series, first of all, scandium to chromium, melting and boiling point increases, and then from manganese to zinc, it decreases. So lowest melting point in D block element is mercury. Mercury having lowest melting point, that is minus 38 degrees Celsius, and whereas highest melting point of D block element is tungsten, that is approximately equal to 34 degrees Celsius. Now density. The atomic volume of the transition elements are low compared with the elements of group 1 and 2. This is because the increased effective nuclear charge. In addition, the extra electrons added occupy inner orbitals. Consequently, the densities of the transition metals are high. Across a period from left to right, atomic volumes decreases and atomic masses increases. Hence, the densities also increase across a period. So dear students, densities of scandium is less than or equal to titanium, and densities of titanium is less than or equal to vanadium, and vanadium is less than or equal to chromium. In same way, cobalt is less than or equal to nickel, and density of nickel and copper is approximately equal, and density of zinc is less than copper, or copper is greater than zinc. Zinc is an exception, having large atomic volume and hence have lower density. 3D is less than 4D, 4D is more less than 5D series. Maximum density in the transition series is IR. This is greater or equal to OS, means osmium. Now, variation in atomic and ionic sizes. So, dear student, from top to bottom in a group, the atomic and ionic size of transition element also increases, whereas from left to right in a period, atomic and ionic sizes decreases. The size of 4D and 5D series elements are nearly same. So dear student, from top to bottom in a group, number of cells increases. That is why size of the atoms and ions also increases. But in the case of period, in the period there is same cell, but number of electrons are increases, and effective nuclear charge is also increases. Due to effective nuclear charge, electron attracted by effective nuclear charge, and gradually its size decreases. So in this way, atomic and ionic sizes vary in the periodic table in transition series. Now, variation in ionization energy. From top to bottom in a group of transition element, ionization energy also decreases. Dear students, in the periodic table, from top to bottom in a group, transition elements also decreases their ionization energy. But in case of half filled, means in the case of D5 and fully filled, or in the case of D10 suborbit, has very high value of ionization energy. Oxidation state. Transition elements show variable oxidation state except scandium. Scandium have only +3 oxidation state, or you can say scandium only show +3 oxidation state. But except scandium, +2 is the common oxidation state for all transition elements. All transition elements show +2 oxidation state as a common except scandium. Scandium show only +3 oxidation state, but Manganese show maximum variable oxidation state from +2 to +7. So dear students, D block elements have different oxidation state in different compounds or molecule. Highest oxidation state in D block elements show manganese, that is from +2 to +7. Here in the case of half filled or D5 and fully filled D10 suborbit have very high value of ionization energy, because students, half filled and full filled D orbitals are more stable. Due to stability, half filled and fully filled D orbitals have high value of ionization energy. Okay, thank you. More about this chapter and more properties of D block elements I will discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.